Our God is not out of breath because he hath blown one tempest and swallowed a navy. Our God hath not burnt out his eyes because he hath looked upon a train of powder. In the light of heaven and in the darkness of hell he sees alike. He sees not only all machinations of hands when things come to action, but all imaginations of hearts when they are in their first consultations. Future distinguished not his quando, all is one time to him. Mountains and valleys, sea and land distinguish not his ubi, all is one place to him. When I begin, says God to Eli, I will make an end. Not only that all God's purposes shall have their certain end, but that even then, when he begins, he makes an end. From the very beginning imprints an infallible assurance that whom he loves to the end. As a circle is printed all at once, so his beginning and ending is all one.